What's up, adventurers? We have finally made it to the creek. The creek's just that way, just a little bit. Mr. Badger Bee has been running around. But, so this video, guys, I wanted to kind of do something fun. So I went down to Walmart and I bought the cheapest pole possible. This pole was $9.88, I believe, like 10 bucks. And then I bought a bunch of little cheap tackle. I mean, we're talking cheap tackle. And so what we're gonna do is I'm talking, I think I spent probably around 15-20 bucks total on gear. So we're gonna be throwing that around. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rigged up, and we'll get down there and start fishing, hopefully catch a trout and catch us lunch. So I brought all the necessities to cook and all that good stuff too. So anyways, guys, we'll see you just a second when we get down and get going. Go ahead and try to get this out real quick. I think that's pretty good though. Nice little eddy right in front of us. Wish I got snagged. Pretty good, must in the weight. Got it. Whew. I've actually walked back here a ways. Super pretty back here, guys. I mean, super pretty. The bridge is back that way. I've never walked back this way. I've actually never been back here. I've always wanted to come back here and never walked it. So this is all new to me. Really nice fishing holes. I'm surprised I haven't got any hits, or I think a lot of it could be due to the fact I'm not using the right stuff. Like I said, I'm using stuff off that tackle box And I'm surprised I haven't seen any fish swimming. Like, I haven't seen really anything in the water. I mean, it doesn't mean that they're not there, but I don't know, guys. It's just, it's kind of, if I don't get any, I'm gonna go a little bit further. I'm gonna walk just a little bit back and see how it looks back here. All right, guys, well, I found another little spot. I'm gonna try it out, and if I get nothing here, we'll probably go to probably take a drive. So, all right, as you can see, nice little calm spot down here. You got the edge of the snow. I mean, it is just absolutely beautiful back here, guys. I'm surprised I've never taken the trip back here. I'm not ready to give up yet. I see this barrier of trees coming up, blocking the creek. And we're gonna go try that for a minute. I want to see what's past it. I'm not gonna go too much farther, and I'm gonna start heading back. Thought I'd walk back here. Nice deer trail. So I see a couple more good spots right down there, and after that we're gonna call it. So I'll see you guys when I get down there. Whew, did a little bit of walk back, guys. Badger's beating me. Alright, guys, we'll see you at the truck. Alright, guys. Woo! We're back at the truck. What a hike. You know, the had hair going on. Before at the end, I caught one little tiny one. It got off, but I mean, it was like that long, and that's probably what's been hitting my line. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go further up the road, closer to the lake. There's another bigger creek and stream that flows through with a lot better pools. So I'm gonna try that, see how it goes. And after that, I'll probably end up going and find somewhere to camp, set up camp, and we'll decide what to do from there. But beautiful day. Got some cloud cover, which is nice. It's not super hot. It's great for fishing too. Absolutely beautiful back there. What a beautiful, beautiful place. Never been back there, and I'm glad I walked back there today because it was beautiful. So anyways, guys, we'll see you on the next stop. All right, guys, we're at our next location. Really great spot. So you can see the water. Water's pretty high. I have a good feeling about this spot, and I'm not going to be using the tripod GoPro that much right now because it's at 38%. I got to charge it on the way to camp. It's pretty low battery, so I'm probably using the chest mount for the majority of this video, or this section. So anyways, guys, we're going to get the fishing, and hopefully we catch a decent fish so we can cook it later. So nice here, guys. Absolutely nice. Got a little sunshine. Moving on. Intruders, took a little stop at one of our local stores. If you're ever in Shaver Lake, California, guys, stop by Ken's Market. Ken's, right? Yeah, Ken's Market. Awesome place. They have a bunch of different stuff. It's like a little grocery store. We are here. All right, come on, Bubba. All right. So anyways, guys, we are here. We made it to our camp. We came off the road a little bit. We're not super far off the road. There was a road that I was gonna take back to the campsites, but the road is pretty washed out. Nice campsite. So what I gotta do is I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put the tent, where I'm gonna set up, if I'm gonna sleep in the back of the truck or not. It is pretty cloudy and nasty, so I'm planning on probably setting up a tent. There's kind of a semi-flat spot over there, but I'll find a spot. But anyways, other than that, a pretty spot. All right, so we'll see you guys in a minute. Looks like somebody had a tent here at one point. Make sure there's no dead pines, just this one, but it's leaning. We have no trees that are a threat, so that's a good thing. There's one stag over there, but that's leaning that way, so we are good here. I don't have to worry about any trees falling on me at the middle of the night. And so I'm going to kind of spread a lot of this out. I don't have a very big tent. It's just a single man, one-man tent. That's pretty good for that. All right, so let's grab the tent. All right. Easy peasy Japanese. And we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna put the door on. Okay, so and of course this tent really not come with the rain fly? Well, that is not good, guys. So if it rains, it's not going to be a good thing. Of course, I grabbed one tent. This is why you should always be prepared, guys. I think we'll be okay. There's not supposed to be any rain in the forecast, so we should be okay. Hopefully we'll be okay. First one done. This is my summer tent. I think that's why it doesn't have a rain fly. And you know, who knows who used it last. And they go through this loop, top loop. I sure hope it don't rain tonight, guys. Thing is, up here, you just never know what the weather's gonna do. I'm actually, oh wait, is that the rain fly there? Oh, please tell me that's the rain fly. And that's definitely not the rain fly. Okay, so somebody used this tent before and forgot to put the rain fly on. I got an extra blanket, and I'm just gonna lay it over and kind of give me a semi-protective layer just in case. And if it does start raining, then it gives me at least time, so I'm not gonna get soaking wet. So yeah, we're gonna go with that plan. Not gonna let anything ruin this day or this trip. Have at least 2 pegs, which I could make a peg. I'm gonna go on opposite ends. What is it, Baba? What is it? What do you hear? What is it, Baba? What is it? So we're just gonna stick some paper towels in here. Yes, we're doing the cheating way, okay, guys? I don't have a flint and steel. Even though actually I might buy a flint and steel and try it. I've seen multiple YouTubers using it. I've always wanted to try it. Yeah, I've never done it, so I'm curious to know if I could do it. You ready for the flint and steel? You guys ready for the flint and steel? That's my flint and steel. All right. A little more. A couple more smaller sticks. On there. Since we got the fire going, we're gonna go ahead and start the process of getting the food ready. We got Badger Bee over there with the fire. So anyways, we'll start off with getting foil cut out. All right, so what I did was I bought these little containers at Dollar Tree. Literally, I just use them for seasonings. So I have seasoning for asparagus, I have extra seasoning for the meats, my own dry rub, just brown sugar, you know, chili powder, just a seasonings thing, salt, and of course pepper. So we're gonna grab those asparagus out, already washed, delicious looking steaks that have been marinating all day. So we got some New York strips. So there's a trick to asparagus. Normally you can peel them and they come really tender, but the trick that I do for asparagus is all I do is I grab them on end to end, like so, and just bend them in half. And what it's going to do is they're all going to break at the most tenderest point. No, I might cook a little more because I honestly, like, I love these asparagus. They're so good, and I want to make sure I have enough. Okay, so what we're going to do is you're going to grab I got pre-mixed asparagus seasonings. It's basically oregano, chili powder, basil, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, pepper, smoked paprika, and that's pretty much it, I think. So not a huge remedy. And I'm gonna take some of that and I'm just gonna sprinkle that on the asparagus. And then we're gonna grab that cooking oil. You can use vegetable oil, olive oil, whatever you want to use. It's your preference. We're going to coat a little of that onto the asparagus. So grab the asparagus and you're going to roll them. And you're going to spread all that seasoning around. And then that's it. So after that, you're going to grab the foil. You're going to fold the end without ripping it, like I just did. Center it. You're going to fold the edges like that, and then you're going to fold this over and just kind of, there you go. So these are ready to go on the grill. Doing a little hot dog appetizer. I need to push straight down. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I just lost one. Man down. Wiener down. Wiener down. Yeah. Oh, yeah, baby. Made me a little appetizer. A little hot dog, a sausage link. Pretty good, not gonna lie, but the bun seems to be a little old. Did you get your steak? Did you get your steak? There's nothing better than an open flame steak on a campfire. It just doesn't get any better. Asparagus. Got a little crunch. But they're good. I'm gonna sit here and pig out, and I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Guys, it is such a beautiful night. Just sitting here next to the fire, full belly, just listening to nothing but silence. As you can see in the background, the sun's going down. It's like 8 o'clock, I think. My GoPro battery's at like 26%, which is perfect. My other one died. My fault. I actually left it on. Yeah, so just sitting here enjoying, drinking my brew, and just thinking about everything, and just enjoying a nice night. Clouds went away. It's actually completely clear, so might stay up until at least the dark, look at the stars. Badger's over there. Found himself a nice little hole he's sitting on, so he's sitting over there relaxing, and he's ready to go sleep. He was like trying to get in the tent earlier. I'm not ready to go to bed just quite yet. I want to kind of enjoy this as long as I can. I do got to work tomorrow morning, or tomorrow around 12, so got to make sure that I'm up early and get down the hill. Yeah, so I'm just going to sit here a little bit longer and enjoy the nice fire and I'll get you guys in a little bit. We're in the tent. I'm not comfy. Oh yeah. Not gonna lie, even with the memory foam, it's still pretty rough, but I'll tell you what, having that memory foam is way better than 10 times better than those blow up mattress things. Anyways, guys, I'm probably gonna lay here, probably gonna read some more and eventually crash out. So next time you see me, guys, will probably be in the morning. Badger B is all tucked away. He is like gone. He's ready for bed. Anyways, guys, hopefully you enjoyed today. Was a phenomenal day. It was a fun day. Hopefully I'll be warm enough tonight. Worst case, I got plenty of clothes to change into. So I got my wool onesie on, so should be warm tonight. I don't think it's gonna get too bad. If anything, it might get pretty chilly early morning. But like I said, I got my snowboarding pants, snowboarding overalls. Worst case scenario, I'll throw those on and I'll definitely be warm in those things. So anyways, guys, we'll catch you in the morning. Good morning, guys. It's like almost 5 o'clock. Still got like another hour and a half before light. But I just couldn't sleep anymore. I'm average about 6 to 7 hours of sleep a night, so couldn't really sleep anymore, but slept pretty good. Overall, it's a little chilly this morning, but it's not like, oh my gosh, it's freaking freezing. Alright, guys, we're all loaded up, ready to go. I'm leaving a little early. I got work at 12. I kind of want to get home and relax for a little bit before. But guys, if you guys really enjoyed the video, the overnight camp out, please like and subscribe. It really means a lot to me, guys. I appreciate every single. Sorry guys, GoPro's going out. I'm gonna make this brief and short. Anyways, thank you guys. Sorry guys, anyways, we'll see you on the next adventures of Jeff and Badger, guys. Peace out.